Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to find the largest numbers in an array containing subarrays. For this problem, we're given an array containing 4 subarrays. Our goal is to return an array consisting of the largest numbers from each provided subarray. Let's begin by refactoring for readability. Next, we'll create an empty array called largest numbers. This variable will store the final result. We will use a for loop to iterate through our array. We will initialize a variable called subarray. This variable will hold the value of the subarray in focus when iterating through our array. We will create a variable called largest and initialize it to be the first number in our subarray. This will prevent errors when comparing negative values in our subarray. Next, we will need to loop through our subarray. When iterating through our subarray, we will compare the number in focus against largest. We will reassign largest to be the larger number between the two. Then we will add the largest number to our array of largest numbers. We can test by logging our array of largest numbers to the console. We can see that our resulting array contains the largest numbers from each subarray. Let's submit our solution. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.